Hello, this is Marissa from Design by Geeks and Marissa Rocks It, and today I'll be walking you through the assembly of this Christmas tree pop-up card. The link to buy this design is going to be in the video description. Let's begin. You're going to start by cutting out all of your pieces on your cutting machine. There are three parts to the main card. There's the outer card, the inner card, and then the middle card that has the tree. There's also going to be some detail pieces. We've got little ornaments, we've got a star, and we've got the trunk. You're going to start by pre-folding the tree piece. That's the middle piece along the score lines. So the first thing I like to do is I like to fold it in half just like a normal card, for now just ignoring the pop-up sections. After you have that folded in half, then you can start taking the tree sections and popping them out the reverse direction. So you're going to change the middle crease, and then you're also going to create creases here along the side. There's some angled score lines. So I did the bottom section. Now the next one up, I'm going to do the same thing. And then the next section up. And then last, the very top section, the point of the tree. That one's probably the hardest to do. All right, so once I have the tree pop-up folded out the right direction, I'm going to fold it in half again and create sharp creases so that it'll fold easily when the card is opened and closed. And I'm using a folding tool here that helps create nice sharp creases. If you don't have a folding tool, you could use something like the edge of a pen or something along those lines. But now you can see we have our pop-up section of the tree. Next, you can glue on your ornaments where you think they look nice. Just make sure you're not gluing on top of any of the fold lines. If you don't want to have ornaments on your tree, you can skip this step. While the glue is drying, I can set that aside and begin folding the inner card piece. So again, you're just going to fold that in half normally to begin with. And then you can pop out the trunk section at the bottom. So we're just going to reverse the fold on that one. We can also add our trunk color and our star. So here we have a trunk piece. I'm going to fold that in half, and then I can glue it to the pop-up section of the trunk. And then we can glue down our star as well. And the star doesn't pop out, but because it's in the middle, it does have a score line so that it can fold when the card is closed. Our tree section of our card is now dry enough to work with. So what you're going to do is you're going to glue the inner card on top of the tree. And you just want to make sure that the tree is inside of that hole and that the middle lines are lined up. And I usually like to glue one half at a time. And after one half is glued down, then you can repeat for the other half. And again, just double check that it still folds up nice. Looks like a little bit of glue came off on my trunk piece, so I'm going to re-glue that. And then last, you're going to take your outer card and you're going to fold that in half. And then you're going to glue your inner card inside. And like before, I like to glue one half at a time, and just make sure you're only putting glue on this section. Don't glue down any of the pop-up pieces. They need to be able to freely move. There you go. Now your pop-up card is done. You can add whatever you like to the outside. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you liked this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe.